Design thinking is a popular concept amongst designers and business minds. It is used to describe a way of thinking that is effective in making products, services, and experiences. Design thinking is a flexible approach to problem solving that works well in any discipline. It helps you create innovative solutions to challenges using your creativity. Design thinking is also a process of thought that involves applying design skills to make something or enhance an existing product and services using a analogical method. It is a way of looking at challenges and making decisions and creating solutions through collaboration with others. Working together in a creative way with a team that produces effective results for the business. Now, design thinking involves identifying the problem, understanding the context, creating solutions, and testing your ideas until you have a product people love. Now, how is design thinking actually used? So, design thinking can be used by anyone in the creative fields to solve daily problems. It is used by marketing departments, product development, journalism, architecture, amongst many others. Now, design thinking can also be applied to any discipline where you need to make a decision or create new ideas from existing concepts. This includes fields such as healthcare, education, technology, businesses where you have clients or projects to work on. Now, what makes design thinking effective? Design thinking is effective when you work with other people as part of a team to solve the challenge through ideation sessions and project planning. This includes defining the goal of your project even before you begin problem solving as part of your design thinking process. Now, design thinking isn't just about creating beautiful things, it's about creating effective products using your creativity. Now, applying design thinking skills will help you achieve your product vision and goals and help you produce really great work. So, what are the different phases of design thinking? So, number one is the understand phase. So, understand the problem. I've seen a lot of people dive head first into solutioning as opposed to fully understanding the problem space that they're trying to solve. From my experience, the problem you set out to solve is not always in a vacuum. Sometimes it is a piece of a larger puzzle. Involving your users in this phase is crucial. The second phase is ideate. Now, this is the solution phase. This is the part that everyone loves. The purpose of this phase is to come up with as many ideas as possible and prioritize. So you should not be too concerned with visibility. At this point, any idea pretty much goes until the team kind of comes together and decides on which ideas to pursue. Now, there are many crazy ideas, but eventually it will turn up to be a better solution once you prioritize as a team. The third phase is prototype and test. So at this phase, you have decided which ideas to go with, you've designed a solution, and you're ready to test with your users. The fourth phase of design thinking is the implementation phase. Now, this is after you've validated the idea with users and have refined your initial prototype, and you are ready to invest engineering time to actually build the product. And the entire process is repeated, well, for as long as your product lives. Design thinking can be applied to literally any business domain from nonprofit, e-commerce, HR, governmental organizations, and so on, and a couple more that we've listed initially once at the beginning of this video. So that is design thinking. If you have used some of the principles laid out here, what are some of the outcomes? What was that for you and your team? If you've learned something new, definitely share the knowledge with others by hitting that share button. If you're interested in more content like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and join the channel by subscribing and tapping on the notification icon so you know when I upload a new video. See you in the next one.